Welcome to Salud Spun Yarn Dyeing Factory. Color accuracy, moisture content, color freshness are very important indicators of yarn quality. These quality indicators is strictly followed in salon industry.
In our dyeing laboratories, our technicians have more than 10 years experience. We provide out 4 color switches to ensure the simple task at one time. We use the display dyes. Different bright color can achieve high color fastness and no colorless.
Before dyeing, this is our hanging process. In our dyeing factory, we have more than 50 dyeing tanks of various specifications, which can be meet any dyeing quantity. To ensure the faster delivery, our MOQ can be from 200 kg to 1000 kg per colors.
We strictly follow the requirements of customers and use D65, CWF, TL84, U30 and other standard net sources for color matching.
In the process of yarn dyeing, we will adjust the most appropriate dyeing temperatures, dyeing time, and additives to ensure the yarn quality and color fastness.
The dyed yarn needs to be dehydrated for 20 minutes and dry for 2 hours.
Finally, the moisture rating of the dye yarn will be 2% to 3% lower than the official moisture rating.
The stable quality is our goal. We use only one batch, 2029, for dyeing the normal color and some special amalgam color for our customers. And then we carry out the constant weight winding process for dye yarn according to customer requirements.
After winding, we store the finished yarn in the warehouse. We will ensure that the moisture regain of the yarn is lower than the offshore moisture regain.
Welcome to visit Salud Style Factory. We look forward to your yarn supply and deliver the best yarn product to you.